Hi, hotties, this is me, Scotty here. Welcome back to my channel. So, I know we're gonna ignore that dog in the background. So, I know I haven't been shooting a video at all because of this whole lockdown thing that's been going on. I already mentioned that I've been more focused on my kids with the remote learning. I've been homeschooling my son, and school year's almost over, so I'm gonna try to get my videos back up and coming. But now that the whole riot thing is going on, it's just getting more insane. So who knows how often I'll be shooting as of right now. I don't think that came out right. I don't know how often I'll be uploading videos as of right now, but I did want to get this video out of the way because I feel like it should brighten some people's days up and whatnot. It was something that I wanted to work on for a while, and I finally got the time to do it. So I was inspired by this photo right here, and I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was really cute to do. And just for the fact that it's a baby being involved, I'm all like, I have a baby, so I just thought it'd be cute to do a little photo shoot with my daughter without her knowing. So I'm like, so I already shot the video. The video's already done. I didn't do an intro and outro yet, so I had to like shoot that afterward. Anyways, so I just thought it'd be really fun and cool to do a little photo shoot indoors. And I'm all like, you know how everyone's been doing random things during this whole quarantine lockdown? I'm like, well, quarantine day question mark, because I don't know how long we've been on lockdown for. Quarantine day, or whatever it is, baby sleeping photo shoot. So I decided to do a DIY baby photo shoot while with my daughter. Now, I just thought it was super fun and cool. You basically need good lighting, your camera, you need a good background. Now, the background I use is basically a baby blanket. So the background I used was a baby blanket that I got from the hospital. And I apply that on my bed literally right before I even put my daughter to sleep. So like my daughter, obviously she is very crazy and wild. So I was getting her ready for a nap. I took her a nice warm bath. I fed her, and I already had the bed laid out for her where I was going to do the photo shoot at. Right when I finished feeding her, she knocked out obviously. So then I just went ahead and laid her down on the blanket, and I'm all like, bam, let's go. So once again, this is super easy. You can easily do this with any inspirations you have. Of course, well, I love makeup, so I want to do like more of a beauty routine baby photo shoot. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you guys, show you how you can do your own little professional photo shoot, and I'll also show you how to edit the photos as well. So without further ado, why does that always happen? Let's go ahead and do a DIY baby photo shoot, quarantine edition. Okay, so first you're going to need some makeup brushes. I'm using Simply Essentials, and let me just grab a picture because that looks aesthetically pleasing. Okay, anyways, you also need some lipstick lip glosses. I'm using the Lip Lovers Kit by Logix Cosmetics. This is in a Valentine's collection. I received this in a PR package deal sort of thing. I went ahead and did a video of it as well, so if you haven't seen that, I'm gonna go ahead and link that down below. I also used the Frostbite palette and the Bold and Beautiful palette by Logix Cosmetics. Those videos will be linked down below as well because I did a couple looks with these palettes. I also went ahead and used the Wet n Wild highlighting palette. When I used the Wet n Wild foundation, I believe this is in ivory, natural ivory. I went ahead and used the Rose Oil Primer Serum, Rose Toner. These are from the Rubber Rose collection of Wet n Wild. Of course, I use these all the time. And last but not least, you're also going to need a little handheld mirror and a baby. So yeah, let's get started. So I went ahead and laid out a platform already. I'm using this blanket right here because I thought it was super cute for her because she's a baby and she's sweet. So yeah, I already went ahead and wrapped her in a towel, and as you can see, she's asleep, so you know, when they're sleeping they're better. I also got some sunglasses, but we're going to go ahead and apply that at the end because I don't need her to be waking up when I apply them. So yeah, that's kind of risky. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and grab the makeup brushes first, and I'm just going to put one of them in her hand like this, very carefully because I don't want to disturb her. Just like that, as if she's holding it. See? She's already gripping it. And I'm going to go ahead and just lay out the brushes randomly, just like this. Super easy and cute. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put the rose toner, the multi-purpose oil, and the primer serum at random spots as well. Once again, these are from Wet n Wild. And oh, forgot some brushes. I'm going to go ahead and just throw that there, and there, and there. Bam. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab this beauty blender. I'm going to put that in the little palm of her hand, like, you know, just because. And then I'm going to grab my foundation, put it there. And then this mirror is going to go there. As you can see, I'm just putting things at random. No specific order. Let's grab this highlighter as well. Just put it over there, I guess. Ultra matte lipsticks and lip glosses from Logix Cosmetics. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of them, so I'm just going to go ahead and place them randomly. They don't have to be neat, you guys. It doesn't matter. It's just a little photo shoot we're doing, so I'm just going to go ahead and place some there, over here. I hope she doesn't move. Over here. As you can see, I'm just like going in and out, so I'm just putting it at random. Yeah, that's a look right there. So then I got this box. This was carrying the lipsticks and lip glosses. I'm gonna go ahead and put that above her head, but I don't know, I'll probably move it a little later. So let's just go ahead and continue this. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my two palettes, Bold and Beautiful and Frostbite. I don't know, I'm kind of double thinking this. I think it kind of looks a little messy and looks like too much because there's so much going on in the blanket. So we're just gonna go ahead and put things at random right now. Alright, now that it's a little more well organized, I kind of like the way how this looks way better. Like I put lipsticks and glosses together, brushes together. I'm gonna go ahead and put the palettes right here. You know, I guess I could leave this one here. It's cute. So yeah, I have those together. The brushes are together. My face base is together. I think I'm gonna move the box. I'm gonna put this box a little closer. She seems to have an empty spot by her head. So I'm just going to go ahead and place that by her head a little more down. Just like that. Oh, that looks super cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply her sunglasses off camera. Be right back. Bam. So as you can see, now because everything's more of the pinkish red sort of tone, it makes it look like an aesthetic. And I kind of like the outcome of it. So just go ahead and play around till you get what you're looking for. And then go ahead and take some pictures for your little photo shoot. And there you have it. Okay, so to get ahead and edit your photos, we're gonna go ahead and open up PixArt. PixArt is a great way to edit photos. I've been using this a lot lately. I'm so happy I found it. So we're gonna go ahead and open PixArt up. It should look something like this. Now we're going to go ahead and press that plus sign in the middle to create new. We're going to go ahead and ignore my pictures. We're going to go ahead and choose a photo that we're here to edit. Now in this case it would be me and my daughter with the photo shoot. I'm going to go ahead and click on the image of the photo I want to edit. So this is the photo. Now let's go to tools. You can crop it. You can go ahead and reverse it, enhance it, you go from a different perspective, curves, things like that. Let's see, I kind of want to I think I'm gonna leave that image right there. So we're gonna go ahead and click on effects. I for one love the HDR filter, I guess you can say it is. We're gonna go ahead and ignore that message. So I for one love this because it just looks so professional. So, but they have many others I'm not much of a fan of, but they do have like film 2, they have glitch, they have canvas areas, they have sketches, blurs. There's like many folders of what you want. What's this? I'm curious actually. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, anyways, so they have so many things. Once again, my favorite one is the HDR. It just looks more professional. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the check mark. You even cut things out. Like if you want to add a different background, you can go ahead and do that. I for one do not want to do that, so I'm not going to. You can add stickers, text. Let's see. Ooh, lens flare. I'm gonna go ahead and do that because she is wearing sunglasses and I kind of want to add like a little glare. Can you stop messaging me? I kind of want to add a little glare. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and just test some out. Let's see how this one looks. Oh, there it is. So the little glare, I want to add it to her sunglasses. See, you can even resize it. Oh, that looks nice. Let's go ahead and apply that right on. There we go. Just to make it pop out a little more. I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it like that. Let's see. Now you can even do like a shape mask. You can do frames. So it just depends on how you're like editing the photos. For this one, I'm kind of doing it more of a dramatic look, but this is how I would edit the photo. And from there, I would go ahead and just finish off the look, save the photo, and you are done. See, it's that simple. You can go ahead and make any photos look so professional. You can even add backgrounds, you can add special effects and things like that. So if you want me to do more in-depth tutorials on how to do other photos, I can even teach you guys how to do my intro. I did the intro by myself using this app plus another app. So if you guys want me to do an in-depth tutorial with that, I'll go ahead and do a tutorial on that. But just go ahead and comment down below if you want that kind of tutorial. So here is the before picture, before any editing. And even with the small adjustments, here's the after. As you can see, it looks way more professional. And we're back. So guys, you tell me what you think about that. I just thought it was the cutest thing. Super easy. And hey, you can use anything that you have around the house. You want to do a cooking baby photo shoot? Go for it. Do you want to do little pillow fight photo shoot? Go for it. There are many ideas and many creative ways you can do your own photo shoot. You don't have to pay hundreds of dollars for it. No, you don't. So, you guys tell me what you think about it. I just thought it was the cutest ever. So, we're going to go ahead and do that. And stay tuned for my upcoming videos where I have a review and haul coming up. I'm expecting some packages today, actually. Well, there's going to be a lot going on, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I'm only using TikTok basically to just do previews of the videos. So yeah. But you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at S2H_plus. That's right, S2H_plus. Go ahead and be sure to follow me there. I follow back, guys, so just saying. So yeah, stay tuned for upcoming videos. I will be doing sneak peeks. My sneak peeks will be on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and continue this day with the Bible verse of the day. See you guys next time. Bye, hotties.